This video shows you the fuse box location on a Subaru Outback car. This is a 2006 version, and there is a fuse box inside the car and then another one under the hood. So right next to the steering wheel, there's a little panel that you just pull to open like that. And then on the inside of the panel, there's a list of what all of these interior fuses do. So if you have a particular thing that's burnt out, you just look at that. And then it says there's extra fuses and a fuse tweezer under the hood in the other fuse box. If we take a look in there, you can see the fuses, and you would just use the little map on the door to tell you which one is which. And then when you're done in there, it's got little grabbies down there on the bottom. Just grab on and push it shut like that. Next, to get to the other one, you just pull on the hood release lever like that. And there's a little lever to the upper right of the Subaru logo that you pull to the side, and then you just lift up the hood and put the stick in the stick hole to hold your hood up. And then on the driver's side, you'll see a box that looks like this, and there's little push buttons there that you use to release it. So you push that in at the same time as you push that in, and then just lift it up and rock it towards yourself, and you are in the fuse box. And just like the interior fuse box, the lid of this box tells you all of the secrets. So if you want to know what's what, it's all written down in there as a map for you. And then that is an extra fuse, and it's indicated on the fuse box that it's extra. And then there is your little fuse puller tweezer. So if you needed to pull any fuses inside or outside of the car, you could use that little tweezer to do it. And then when you're ready to put it back on, you just kind of press it on and push it down until it clicks into place and you feel that it's solidly attached.